What it do? What it do? What it do? And I'm back with another review. And oh, Dwight was looking for me. Dwight was all over me this morning. Dwight around my lips. I hope everybody's having a good Monday morning. What do we got this morning? Subway. I had to get it. I just seen it in there. I was grabbing an order for somebody. But hey, in the meantime, I'm going to get something for myself. It's called the Fury Meatball. It was supposed to be on habanero bread, but they didn't have it done yet, so I got it on wheat. It's the meatballs, marinara sauce, pepper jack cheese, jalapenos, a sriracha mayo, and 2 pieces of pepperoni. Thing look a little messy. I don't taste too much heat so far. I really wanted to taste that habanero bread. When you get down from Subway, you can't go wrong with the jalapeno chip. These always slap. Nice kettle chip, good crunch to them. Now, Subway doesn't have the best meatballs, I tell you that. But I wanted to taste the sound so bad. Damn, the whole ball fell out the bottom of this motherfucker. Damn. It ain't even a sandwich no more. Meatball. They most definitely softer than the noodles meatballs. Meatballs at Noodles and Company was made by the NBA. The thing about this sandwich is, you would think all the flavors would come together, with the meatballs just like sliding out. So, all it tastes is like the sauce, the cheese, the jalapeno, that sriracha mayo. Maybe the habanero bread would have brought it together. I don't know. You can't really taste the pepperoni that's on there. But hey, who said you can't put chips on a Subway sandwich? It doesn't really taste like anything. They got a spicy chicken nacho sandwich too. I'm just not a big nacho cheese fan. Nacho cheese and it's not your bitch. I think because they're meatballs. The meatball itself doesn't have any flavor in it. Is it good? It's alright. Would I order it again? No. Last bite. Yeah. Subway most definitely, their meatballs are terrible. All right, the Fury Meatball. You want to give it a chance? Give it a try? Go down to Subway. $7, $8. Their prices are really high though. Oh, Subway prices went up. But no such thing as a $5 footlong no more. You can't even get a $5 6-inch. Is what it is. No Diddy. Deuces.